All right, I am coming to you with the July market numbers, which really in essence means the June numbers because everything is a lagging indicator. So it's all last month's data, but I'm going to give you what the numbers look like, and then I'm going to tell you what it's really like boots on the ground right now and explain what's going on in my world so that if you have a need for real estate, you understand what your present world will look like. New market numbers. Inventory is increased by 4.61%, so a little bit more hitting the market. Pending inventory decreased by 9.74%. So we've got about a 15% gap there. We have stuff coming on, but we have less stuff coming off, right? So we're accumulating right now. Median price point, we're down slightly to 1,075,000. Days on market, we're up 3 days to 33. And months of inventory, we're now up to 3.1. So we've cracked the 3-month barrier where forever we were holding at 2.2 months, and in the heyday of COVID, 2 weeks of inventory. So we actually have some stuff to look at. And total inventory is up 31.62%, or 6,491 single family homes. So what does this mean? Like, what's happening? What is going on in our market where forever we were a seller's market? And now it's transitioning more to a level market, but when things like this start to happen, and this is a new transition for us, people can panic, right? If you remember back in 2008, 9, 10, what would happen was all of a sudden if somebody had to sell for less, then they'd post a lower price, and then everybody would have to follow suit if there were more and more price decreases or people coming on at lower prices in order to get noticed and sell. And I'm really, really busy right now with listings. So I have one under contract that's going to close right away in Rancho Penasquitos, which is a great area, and it was also a great property and great price point. I have another one I listed in Pacific Beach in a tower, very high HOA. It's getting passed over. I have another one with an ADU, a house in El Cajon, and I'm only getting investor offers on that. And I have 6 more properties coming up, and it's like in my head, I know which ones are going to get attention and which ones aren't. And price point, marketing activity, real conversations with the homeowners are paramount. Buyers right now, if you've been looking at, okay, is this a great time? Well, the short answer is yes. The question is, what kind of volatility will last in our market? How long, right? There's just a lot that's been going on geopolitically, tariffs, interest rates, economics, people just wondering about everything right now. There's so much uncertainty. Stock market's really, really strong, but should it be? So there's a lot of doubt and confusion. And what I love about markets with doubt and confusion is there's opportunity. So from a buyer's perspective, there's opportunity. From a seller's perspective, right now, more than ever, and I've said this for years, but now more than ever, everything matters. Your price point, the way you're going to market your property, the condition of your property, what might be affecting your property. Are you on a busy street? Are there power lines? Like, everything needs to be factored in. And then you need a killer team to do the work to make sure that my team turns over every stone. I'm going to give you the honest feedback. I'm not going to sugarcoat anything. I don't take listings just to take listings. We get it done. So depending on where you're at in the real estate cycle, or if you're just paying attention to what I have to say month after month to see what's going on and what to do, call me. We'll talk about your specific need, work towards your real estate goal. And if you just need to have a conversation for the future, I'm here for that as well. I look forward to seeing what happens in the month of August once we do our new market report. But until then, stay tuned.